Are you tired of chasing women? Want to learn how to make her chase you instead? It can be done, as long as you follow the tips in this video, that is. Before anything else, let's clear the air a bit. So is it really the guy's job to chase the girl in the dating game? Or has society reached a point that women can go and court men too? Or are there no rules, even, and anything goes in today's dating game? Let's see. Traditionally, we the men lead the courtship process. We put our best feet forward, and the women decide our fates. Even today, that's largely how things go in the dating arena. Unfortunately, that approach puts men at a huge disadvantage. Why? Simply because it gives you an extremely low chance of success with a woman. I mean, if you're watching this video, then you're probably not having as much success with women as you want, right? That's the bad news. If you keep doing what's not working, you'll keep getting bad results with women. So let's change that in this video. I'm about to teach you two things. First, why chasing women does not work in the dating game today. And secondly, how to make women chase you for a change, which is a much better situation to be in, let me tell you. Before we get started, do scroll down and give this video a quick like. That way, you'll keep getting great dating advice on your YouTube recommends, and you'll help my channel grow too. So go ahead, click the like button real quick, and we'll get on with the video. You will learn about 2 reasons why chasing women is quite a silly thing to do. Also, I'll share with you the one thing that you can do to make women chase you for a change. Click like now, and I'll share with you what you need to know. Go ahead because I'll wait here as you click like. Are you done? Awesome. Let's get cracking. So here's why chasing women doesn't work in today's dating game. There are 2 major reasons. First, chasing women takes lots of resources. You spend lots of your time, money, and energy. I mean, you've noticed it, right? You take women on expensive dinners, or you give them expensive gifts, or you spend more and more of your precious time with them. And for what? You're still not very successful with women, are you? In fact, you've probably gotten friend-zoned more times than you can count. Now, you might be wondering, but why? Why do women friend-zone me after all I've done for them? Well, that leads us to the second reason, and that is, when you chase women, you go up against lots of competition. I mean, think about it. Every woman has at least a handful of admirers chasing after her, you included. So you're basically entering a contest. Whoever puts the best foot forward wins her heart. And so, as you might expect, you'd always lose out to a richer, or more handsome, or smarter guy. And so, my friend, I have to ask you a question. Do you now agree that chasing women does not work? Tell me what you think. Type yes or no in the comments box below. Go ahead, do it now. In any case, the situation should be clear by now. You'll need a different approach. And as I promised, I'll give it to you in this video. I'm about to show you how to make women chase you for a change. And spoiler alert, yes, you can make her chase you. How? By making her see you as the strongest, most dominant guy she'll ever meet in her life. I mean, think about it. If she saw you as the manliest guy she's ever met, she wouldn't even look at other guys anymore. In her mind, you're the one with the best foot forward. You win by default. That's the strategy. Now, you might be wondering, but I'm not rich, or good looking, or smart, or manly, or any of that. Hey, not a problem. As I said, she only needs to see you as the strongest and most dominant guy in her life. It doesn't matter if you aren't. To her, you are. And that's all that's going to matter, my friend. So how exactly do you achieve that? With a technique I like to call, for simplicity's sake, reading her mind. And I'll show you how to do it very shortly. Before we continue, I have another question for you. Have you learned something new and valuable from this video so far? If you have, then do consider taking a moment to subscribe to my channel. Wouldn't it be great to keep getting scientific dating solutions that actually work? That's exactly what you'll get as my subscriber, and you'll help other guys take control of their love lives too, and that's always an awesome thing to do. So go ahead, click the subscribe button now, and we'll continue right on with the video. I'll wait right here. Have you subscribed? Excellent. Welcome to the club. So let me tell you about mind reading. Full disclosure, mind reading is a technique I got from Shogun Method. Does that sound familiar? Shogun Method is the school of thought that teaches men how to succeed with women by using science. More specifically, applied psychology, hypnotherapy, that sort of thing. And mind reading is one of Shogun Method's more powerful techniques. Here's how it works. First of all, women know how the dating game works. They know that men chase them. It's just the way of the world. And yet secretly, women feel disgusted by the whole thing. Why do they feel disgusted? It's because they see any man who chases them as being weak and submissive. And why wouldn't they? He treats her like a queen. He sees her as a prize to be won. He puts her on a pedestal. Think about it. Would a woman ever feel in love with a guy she sees as weak and submissive? Absolutely not. Instead, she'll feel unsure, insecure, and, yes, disgusted. Think of it this way. If you treat her like a queen, then she'll see you as a slave. And queens don't fall in love with slaves. So what should you do instead? It's pretty clear, right? You'll need to make her see you as strong, dominant. You want her to see you as a king. And very few things achieve that better than mind reading. Try this out the next time you meet a new woman. While you're chatting with her, take note of her accessories, mannerisms, and so on. Then take an educated guess based on what you've noticed. For example, let's say she's a nurse. You can then make an educated guess like, let me guess, you love helping people, but you sometimes feel burned out, and you wonder why so many people can't help themselves. Or let's say she's wearing a stylish bonnet. You can then tell her, I'm getting a vibe from you. You love self-expression, and you hate being stifled or silenced. Am I not right? You get the idea, right? It's a simple formula. You take your observation and give a general, educated guess that most people could relate to. That might sound harmless, but the effect is powerful. If you're spot on with your guess, she'll say something like, OMG, yes, how do you know? And she'll start opening up to you. She'll start telling you secrets. She'll start asking about you, and so on. All because of a spot on guess. It's the first step to make her chase you. When she's opening up and asking about you, she's in chase mode, and that's always a good thing. And yet, your job's not done. You've made her chase you. Now it's time to make her fall in love with you. And to do that, you'll need to use a second technique from Shogun Method, and this one's called fractionation. What's it all about? Long story short, fractionation is a conversation technique. With it, you roller coaster her between thinking he's just a friend and thinking he's the one. And you do it over and over until she becomes very clearly in love with you. And when that happens, congratulations, you've got yourself a girlfriend. Now, here's the thing. Fractionation's a bit more complex than mind reading. Explaining it in a video like this one just won't do. So I got something better lined up for you. It's an online masterclass on mind control. And for reaching the end of this video, I'm about to give you access to it. At the end of this video, a link will show up. When you see it, click on it and enter your best email address. You'll receive the invite ticket shortly when everything goes right. Fractionation just might be the most important technique you'll ever learn in your life, so be sure to join the masterclass. So let me ask you again. Are you tired of chasing women and doing all the work? Want to start making women chase you instead? And not just chase you, but even fall madly in love with you too? Then go ahead, click the link, join the online masterclass, and master fractionation now.